Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a fascinating topic that is currently making waves in the technology industry. We're going to talk about edge computing. You may have heard the term being thrown around a lot, but what exactly is it? In this video, we'll provide you with an easy-to-understand explanation of edge computing and how it works. So let's get started. Edge computing is a computing model where data is processed and analyzed at or near the source of the data, rather than being sent to a centralized data center. In simpler terms, edge computing is all about bringing computing power closer to where it is needed, rather than relying on a distant data center. Traditionally, computing power was centralized, and data was sent to data centers or the cloud for processing. However, with the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the increasing amount of data being generated by devices, this model is becoming increasingly inefficient. Edge computing solves this problem by moving the computing power closer to where the data is generated, such as on a local device or a nearby server. This reduces the latency or delay in processing data, and it also reduces the amount of data that needs to be transmitted to a central location, saving bandwidth and reducing costs. Edge computing can be used in various scenarios, such as smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation. For example, in smart cities, edge computing can be used to process and analyze data from sensors in real time, allowing for faster and more efficient decision-making. In the case of autonomous vehicles, edge computing can enable the vehicle to process data from its sensors quickly, allowing for faster and more accurate decisions to be made. Edge computing can also help to address some of the security concerns associated with centralized computing. By processing data locally, edge computing reduces the risk of sensitive data being intercepted during transmission. Edge computing is a new and innovative computing model that brings computing power closer to where it is needed. It enables faster and more efficient processing of data, reduces the amount of data that needs to be transmitted, and improves security. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.